Here's how to talk about where you went in Igbo using just three simple structures. Number one, agaram dash ta. I went to dash today. Agaram ahịa ta. I went to the market today. Agaram ọrụ ta. I went to work today. Agaram ụlọ akwụkwọ ta. I went to school today. 2. Ị gara dash ta. Did you go to dash today? Ị gara ahịa ta. Did you go to the market today? Ị gara ọrụ ta. Did you go to work today? Ị gara ụlọ akwụkwọ ta. Did you go to school today? And our final phrase is ebee ka ị gara taa? Where did you go today? Ebee ka ị gara taa? And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Agaram dash taa. Ahịa ọrụ ụlọ akwụkwọ. You can replace these three with the name of the actual places you went to. You can see the caption for more. And you can replace ta with other time point words like yesterday. I've left some in the caption for you. Quick question. If someone said to you, Ị gara ọrụ taa? How would you say, no, I didn't go to work today? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.